later in the day than I normally do a video. It's a beautiful evening here, almost dark, and but the train doesn't stop moving. Come on, boys, you want to go out? Let the puppies out. We gotta go do a video. You coming? No? Okay. What a beautiful evening here. Kentucky evening. Beautiful, beautiful evening. But I got to do a video. Bear with me on this one because I'm not going to be able to get you my normal like B-roll. We're not going to take it over to my favorite spot. But we are going to go get inside this coach and show you. It's a beautiful Allegro bus. I can't wait to show it to you. Almost want to stand out here for just a little bit longer. It's just stunning. Kentucky's beautiful, folks. If you've never been to our area, this is one of the most beautiful parts of the country. Bourbon, horses, and just beautiful scenery and gorgeous weather. Jump. Hey, Raja. Hey, baby. Hi, baby. Let's jump in. Poor thing, her little head. She had a ingrown hair in her head. We had to take her to the vet and get her little head shaved and hair fixed. So let's jump in the Jeep, head back over to the lot, do a little bit of nighttime video action. And now, for those of you who don't know, and not trying to put my business on the street, but I lived literally just behind the lot now. So, yeah, we moved and we're living in a different house. We live on a golf course here. Opportunity came up on a house that we really liked, and we did a nice little remodel on it, and we're happily in the house. That property you've seen, probably if you watched my other videos, that other property sold actually too quickly. We weren't quite ready to move into this house, but we made it work. Now we're very happy. Just when I pop over this hill here, you can see there it is right there. All right, which one are we after? We are gonna go look at that one right there. That Allegro bus right there. Let's go get the keys and get inside. Find the keys. Open up key cabinet. And 2140 IP. That's what we're after. Love the red, white, and blue. America. And before it gets too dark, we do have some amazing Allegro bus inventory still. In fact, we got that 2020 Pheaton. There goes the ambulance. 2020 Pheaton way over on the other side of the lot. But we did just get this 2018 Allegro bus in. If you're interested, I don't even think this one's up on the website. It just rolled in. 45 OPP, 2018 Allegro bus, 19,000 miles on it. This one did just hit the website. We're waiting on a video on it as well. 2022 Allegro bus, 6,900 miles. That's on the website. And then another fresh arrival that just came in today, this little Integra Riata. Super cool little coach. It's a 40Q2 floor plan. This is a 3 air conditioner, bath and a half, 40-foot Integra. Super nice coach. But I know you want to see this one. Well, evidently I grabbed the wrong keys. It says 21 bus on it. Oh, it doesn't have a bottom lock key, so we'll have to grab a different key. All right, some normal stuff that I do in the videos is they take you on a little ride over to our favorite spot. I'm not going to do that in this video. You'll have to trust me that this bus, I've driven it. It runs amazing. It drives like an Allegro bus should. Super nice coach. 2021 Tiffin Allegro bus, 40 IP, 450 horsepower side radiator, very well loaded coach, very well optioned coach. Just about everything you can imagine. Again, we'll send you that build sheet. All you gotta do is reach out to us. Jump on our website right down here, SewellMotorCoach.com, and send us an email. We'll be happy to send you that build sheet. There it is. Beautiful Tiffin. All right, well, welcome into this beautiful Tiffin Allegro bus. Full disclosure, folks, this is the end of the day, as you've already seen. I'm just a little bit on the tired side, but I gotta get this done. That doesn't mean this coach is any less beautiful. It doesn't mean I'm not giving it my full attention. I am super proud to have this coach on our lot. This is at a great price point for a 2021 with like 20-something thousand miles. Let's check those miles and check out the dash. 24,852 miles on this. And one of the things I didn't mention before is this does have hydraulic and air leveling, which is a huge plus. If you're in the market for a luxury motorhome, air leveling is a huge plus. Working our way into the coach here, I love the options on this one. You have the power theater seats made by Villa, just across from your sofa that does convert into a bed. We are going to have a television that pops up as a televator here just across from our theater seating. Very nice galley with some of my favorite Corian countertops, and we have this cool little pull-out island right here. And in the kitchen, you're going to see a tremendous amount of drawers, pull-out cabinets, induction cooktop, dishwasher, convection microwave oven, and a dual compartment stainless steel sink. Just across from the galley is going to be the computer dinette workstation right next to your window. And just next to that is going to be our residential refrigerator it's actually a panel ready refrigerator, and you see the panels made to match the rest of the cabinetry. Water and ice in the door. The 40IP doesn't disappoint. It's got a very nice pull-out pantry. And just across from the refrigerator center is going to be the ever popular half bathroom. Making our way next to the full spider control panel system that operates everything in the coach is going to be our master bedroom, king size sleep number bed. And yes, it is a power tilt bed. If you want to give me a call, I can discuss with you the positives and the negatives about this bed. But to briefly go over it, the power bed is such a desirable option because it makes making the bed so much easier. You can actually fold this bed flat and it pulls way out there so you can reach the head of the bed without having to stretch that sheet. Some other amenities you're going to find inside this is going to be spider control touch panels on both sides of the bed, as you can see here. And essentially that's going to allow you to operate pretty much everything in the coach while laying in the bed. And across from the bed is going to be another emergency egress window with storage drawers above, cabinets above, storage and drawers below, and my favorite hamper. One of the coolest things about the 40IP is going to be the floors, and not the tile, because the tile is cool, but as you can see, we have a flat floor throughout the entire coach. From the moment you step in, all the way through the bedroom, into the rear bath, one level floor. And that is all part of that XSP new body style that they came out with in 2019. And as we continue through to the bathroom here, you're going to see this very well appointed bathroom with a glass undermounted sinks, beautiful underlit backsplash with integrated medicine cabinets for both sinks. And you do have a washer and dryer center just next to your closet. Dometic power flush toilet right next to your humongous, awesome fully Corian walled shower. And if you think this shower looks big on camera, you should feel it in person. And let me just demonstrate that for you. This is a very nice size shower. No problem in here. We even have a teak seat we can sit down on, or for the ladies to raise your feet up on, shave your legs. Normally in these videos I do talk about condition, and I don't want to leave that out in this video, so I'm going to turn the camera around and show you the negatives. Now, on the outside, I fully realize that we got to this coach at nighttime, but I can assure you on the outside there's really nothing negative to talk about. The only thing I could even pick on is a little bit on the diamond shield. We haven't had a chance to give it the full paint correction and the detailing yet. I'm just trying to let you know what I see, but you may see a bug or two burnt into the front diamond shield. I really won't know until we get the full detail done on this one. I don't remember ever seeing any dents, dings, or scratches on this one. The outside is in phenomenal shape. I know I didn't talk about tires. The two front tires are brand new and the rear four tires are original, so the tires are all good to go. Starting at the front here, you're going to find all of the furniture to be in amazing condition. Coach to be extremely clean and very, very well appointed. And honestly, the only negatives being right here, one little chip in the tile a little streak from the slide. And then way in the back here next to the shower, in a very common place, we do have one cracked floor tile. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you that. It may look just a little bit weird or like it's really wide. What we did was we went ahead and sanded all this down so there's no sharp edge. Now, what I would do with this, because I'm not going to fix it, that's not a place where I really feel like replacing a floor tile. In my coach, if I had the engine hatch like this, I would put a really nice high-end rubber-backed shower mat anyway, so never going to be able to see it regardless. But beyond that, you're going to find this coach to be in superb condition. There you go. I showed you all the negatives that I could find. You know how we do it, folks. Full transparency here at Soul Motor Coach. It's part of what we do. It's one of the most important parts of buying one of these motorhomes is understanding, trusting the seller, knowing what you're buying. One more thing. I did find something else. This is a cosmetic. This is going to clean up no problem, but it looks like a little coffee spill or a coffee stain right there on that chair. That is fabric, not leather. That'll clean up really. Other than that, all the carpets, cabinetry, linens, walls and artwork, fridge, even inside the toilet.
What's wrong with this one? Oh, nothing, Tommy. It's tip-top.
Really good shape and very nice and clean. Now let's just take 2 or 3 minutes to talk about our process, how we operate here at Soul Motor Coach, pricing, trade-ins, what we're going to do to this coach to get it ready for you, financing. Did I say financing already? All that in the next few minutes of this video. Again, please forgive me as I talk in front of this camera. I'm just a little bit tuckered out. Bear with me as I go through the rest of this video, and I hope I don't make a fool of myself. But what do we do here at Soul Motor Coach? It's so important to understand the process that we go through when we buy a coach. First and foremost, I talk about the inspections first because it's one of the most, not one of the most, it's the most important part of our business is to do our due diligence and do inspections before we buy. And the reason I mention that to you is so you do an inspection. If you're looking at one of these motorhomes at another dealer or an individual and something just doesn't feel right, down the bottom of that pit of your stomach, and something's telling you it ain't right, you don't feel right about it, I highly implore you to get the coach inspected before you send any money. And we welcome third-party inspections here at Soul Motor Coach, but I'm going to explain to you what it is we do, what inspection process we go through to make sure we know what we're selling. We do 3 inspections on every coach to make sure we know what we're buying and we know what we're selling. First inspection happens before we send any money. When I bought this from National Indoor, actually I bought this through National Indoor RV Centers from the original owner. So in this case, I actually paid National Indoor RV Centers to do an inspection for me. And of course, it came back good because the coach is here. We don't stop there. We do a further inspection when the coach gets here. We knew about the couple little tiles. That was really the only cosmetic issue. We knew about all that before we purchased. When the coach came in, we took care of that tile in the back so nobody would stub their toe or cut themselves. And we took this coach through our second inspection, just essentially making sure everything in the coach was working and that there was no parts that we needed to order when it comes time for the third inspection. And the third inspection is the most important one by far. The third inspection is what we call the PDI, or some call pre-delivery inspection. So once you decide that this is the right coach for you, we take a non-refundable partial payment. We're going to assign one of our technicians to begin the process of inspecting and repairing this coach. We're going to do a full wheels off chassis inspection and a full service. We're going to lube that chassis, check the brakes, change the oil, check the generator fluid, change the generator fluid, do a full inspection on the generator, also do a full inspection on the aqua-hot system, and a full service. And we're going to get inside this coach, touch every button, operate every system, and fix anything we find wrong with it. Once we complete all of that, we're going to start our detailing process. The detailing process is not easy, it's not cheap, and it doesn't happen quickly. This is a very thorough and in-depth process, from an enzyme treatment. We blow out the coach with an enzyme so it kills any and all bacteria. And we're going to do exterior paint correction and a full interior detail, essentially leaving no stone unturned and getting the coach 100% ready for you to come pick up. And that's the next part, is delivery. This might be the most important part of the process at Soul Motor Coach. We call this delivery day. That's when it's time for you to come pick up your new coach. We don't want to just flip you the keys and wish you the best of luck. Folks, we want you to plan on coming in, staying with us for 2 or maybe even 3 nights so we can get you familiar with how all the systems work. But staying with us does 2 things for you. That same technician that's been in contact with you throughout the entire process, for them to spend as much time as it takes for you to learn how to use everything in the coach. Simply can't happen in 2 or 3 hours of just walking through the coach. To sleep in the coach, use the shower, turn the TVs on, relax in it. The second thing it does for you is also extremely important. It allows you to do your own inspection. We want you to do a close and thorough inspection on it. Anything you find wrong with it, we want the opportunity to fix it before you leave. Because this next part, many salesmen will not tell you. At the end of the day, our goal is to make sure you're completely 100% satisfied with the condition of the coach and that you know how to use it. When it's time for you to pull out of here and you cross over the threshold of our parking lot, it becomes your baby. Yes, I know as a salesman, I'm not supposed to say that. That's what it is. When you take possession of this coach and you leave when the coach leaves our possession, it is 100% your baby and 100% your responsibility. That's just part of taking ownership and buying a used motorhome. So slow down, take your time, go through our process, and I can assure you, you'll be 100% satisfied. Don't take my word for it. Jump on Google, type in Sewell Motor Coach, and see what other people are saying about us, because we are awful proud of our process and how we do business. Over the last 4 or 5 years, we continue to evolve this process and continue to make it better each and every day. And I have one simple motto for everybody that works here at Sewell Motor Coach. Use common sense, but always do the right thing. What about pricing? Well, this is an easy one, because from day one, 4, 5, or 6 years ago, however long it was, I decided to be a one-price dealer. Yes, you heard that right. We are a one-price dealer. We do not negotiate. The price we list on the website, the price we list on RV Trader, that is our best price. Because at the end of the day, folks, this is a relationship and a lifestyle purchase. The last thing we want to do is start off our relationship with a negotiation. We have found that our customers really appreciate the one-price mentality. But 2 things about our pricing I want to discuss. Number 1 is, yes, we are a one-price dealer, but we're also market-based price, meaning we're going to be typically the best deal in the market when you're comparing apples to apples. It doesn't mean we're always going to be the cheapest, but I guarantee you we'll be the best deal. Everything that I've talked about so far in this video, from the inspection to the wheels-off chassis inspection, the repair, the services, the detailing, we charge nothing extra for those services. What about trade-ins? Well, we have the same philosophy when it comes to trade-ins as we do with pricing. We are what I call an actual cash value trade-in dealer. What does that mean, Doug? All right. Tell me what that means. Well, that means to you that the number I give you on trade-in is what I will write you a check for, regardless if you buy my unit or not. Yes, you heard that right. We'll write you a check for your coach regardless if you buy ours or not. I don't know how much more transparent and simple it can get than that. Folks, that's truly how you know you're getting the actual cash value for your RV. We have all the same financing that the big dealers have, no problem whatsoever. Great terms, rates, all that, no problem. Our finance office is one of the strongest parts of our business. From Mike and Heather, Becky in titling, it definitely is something to be proud of. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a different one. It's nighttime. I'm a little bit tired. Folks, I gotta go home and go to bed. I hope this turns out good. I guess you won't see it if it doesn't. And I almost forgot to mention, if you're interested in buying this coach or talking to me about this coach, I certainly welcome that, but I need you to do one thing for me. Because I have my phone set to automatically reject numbers that are not contacts in my phone. So I'll need you to shoot me a text message. So just text me below at 859-613-2574 with the coach you're interested in, and I'll be happy to give you a call right away. But if you just have general and simple questions, want to see the build sheet, want to schedule an appointment to come view it in person, simply jump on our website right here at SewellMotorCoach.com. We'll be happy to answer any questions, send you the build sheet, or schedule that appointment. Because yes, we are by appointment only. It's not that we don't want to show coaches on the fly, but we are a very small business, and sometimes we just don't have enough time in the day for the customers that have already made appointments. So when we ask you to schedule appointments, so we can dedicate more time to spend with you showing you the motorhomes. But from all of us here at Sewell Motor Coach, hope you have a wonderful and blessed day, and we certainly hope to talk with you soon.